What's going on, guys? My Australian Star here, back with, I do believe this is episode 30 of the supply drop opening. The reason we're on this screen is because the Royalty Elite variants are now on the PS3, which means we have more than just the Sledgehammer that we want now. We want the Royalty Sack 3. We've actually got two chances to get the Sledgehammer now because the Royalty TAC 19 is the TAC 19 Sledgehammer. So let's go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supply drops and 1 advanced supply drop. So let's just get on with it. We open the supply drop first and then the advanced supply drop. We get fuck all in the first one. We get 24 karat gold sunglasses. We get a bandana in the second one. We get the Insanity. What? You could have been the Sledgehammer, but I'll deal with that. It's fine. We get 25 minutes of rapid supply, and in the final supply drop we get SN6 money, the IMR Impact, and another MK14 Sport. I got about 10 of them. Advanced supply drop time. I'm going to mute, and we're going to do a turn the share pack. That should be all three. We get another Atlas 20mm Presto, another Atlas 20mm Presto, another KVA Scout EXO, and another Believer knee pads. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. I'm out. Peace.